Hello, Augies and pilots worldwide. I'm Dave Kassler, amateur radio call sign KE0OG. Now, this isn't a ham radio video. This is a flying video. And I'm little by little trying to get my act together technically. On this one, I finally got some audio to go with the flying so you can get some context. You hear my voice. The other voice you hear is my instructor, Sue Mosher. And we're going to fly from our home airport, Delta Blake, down to Montrose, which is about 20 miles south, and do some touch and goes there and one full stop landing. I just take you through the takeoff at Delta, and we do one landing, one takeoff at Montrose, just to keep it short, just a few minutes here. It was actually an hour and a half flight. Now, all the usual caveats apply. I am a student. I am recording my experience of learning. I'm not trying to teach anything, okay? So I'm using techniques approved by my flight instructor, and the way I approach is a side slip, and it is described in here. This is an FAA publication on how to do that. Whoops, I forgot to mention one thing here. I make lots of mistakes. You're going to see me forever having to be reminded to put the flaps in and out. And also when I'm supposed to be saying Montrose at the end of a radio call, I drop in a Delta Blake here and there. It's obvious to the experienced pilots that the runways I'm referring to are at Montrose, but it's still poor form. I would like you to comment, especially if you're a pilot or an instructor pilot, things I could do differently, whatever. Always enjoy any training that I can get. So now, back to what I'd recorded before. So let's just jump in and do it, and when we're done, we'll get back to ham radio. Again, this video is in addition to, not instead of, a ham radio video. I hope you enjoy it. Sit back and enjoy it.
Delta Blake traffic experimental 53 Romeo, depart runway 3 for a downwind departure, Delta Blake.
Hey, it's wanting to fly, so
Yep.
There you go. Whoa.
Is that a crosswind or what? Really?
Yeah, a little bit, I think.
Delta Blake traffic experimental 53 Romeo, crosswind departure to the south, Delta Blake. Montrose traffic experimental 8053 Romeo, entering downwind for full stop landing runway 31, Montrose. Okay, so we are going to pull back this to 1500. We're definitely ready for this.
Okay.
Okay. Now we've gone down 100, 200, we go down 300, right?
About, correct.
Okay.
But keep us coming down, so retrim.
Montrose traffic experimental 53 Romeo is turning base runway 31, Montrose.
53 Romeo, Montrose Unicom, no other known traffic winds are variable 050 altimeter 299
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Do we look good?
We look good, I think.
Okay. What do we need next?
You win the more notch flaps.
Yep, and we need to keep us coming down. See, the airplane nose is looking a little level.
It's coming down about 3.
Okay, we're
500
getting
feet
slow.
per minute. Montrose traffic. Experimental 53 Romeo, turning final. Runway 31, Montrose.
Okay, we are just a little slow, but not bad.
For 70. 65
Oh.
to 70.
Okay, so what can we do next?
Those are notch flaps.
Yep, full flaps. Keep it coming down. Okay, we're getting slow again. So push the nose over and add power. Okay, keep it coming down. Coming down. Down. Okay. Coming down. Now level it out. Just hold it. Hold it. Now just gently hold it. Ah, perfect. You want to do a touch and go?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead and clean up the airplane. Okay.
Experimental 53 Romeo is running for takeoff. Runway 31. Touch and go, Delta Blake.